welcome to our class. In this video we are going to see about the syllabification. This is part 2 of syllabification, English grammar from 6th to 12th standard. Now we can move on to example. First example, bat. So in the last video even I had said that 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 syllable we need to divide correctly the syllable, then only we can write in the easier way. When we are dividing the syllable, we need to pronounce in correct way. It will easier to write our answers. Then for one syllable, it is also called as monosyllable, and for 2 disyllable, for 3 trisyllable, and for 4 tetrasyllable. Okay, now we can see the example. Bat. அப்போ பேட்டுன்னு சொல்லும்போது அதில் எந்த விதமான டிவிஷனும் டிவைடும் பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஒன் சிலபிள். நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஜீப்ரா. ஸோ நான் ஜீப்ரா அப்படின்னு ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ணும்போதே அதில் டிவிஷன் தெரியுது. ஸோ வென் ஐ எம் ப்ரொனவுன்சிங் த வேர்ட் அஸ் ஜீப்ரா, இட் இஸ் டிவைடட் இன்டு 2. ஸோ இட் இஸ் 2 syllable, disyllable. நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் அம்ப்ரலா. அம்ப்ரலா. So here that is 3 syllable, umbrella. So it is also called as trisyllable. Next example, helicopter. So when I am saying the word as helicopter, helicopter, here it is mentioned as 4 syllable. So it is also called as tetrasyllable. Next example, window. When I am saying window, window. So here 2 syllable. It is also called as disyllable. Next example, appropriation. So appropriation. Here it is mentioned as 5 syllable. Okay. Next example, application. Application. So here it is mentioned as 4 syllable. So it is also called as tetrasyllable. Next example, phonology. See the pronunciation correctly, saying the when I am saying, you need to see the method. Okay, phonology. So here 4 syllable. So it is also called as tetrasyllable. Next example, student. Student. So here it comes as 2 syllable, student. So it is also called as disyllable. Next example, pen. When I am saying the word as pen, it cannot be divided into anything. So it is just 1 syllable, monosyllable. It comes as single alone. So it is called as monosyllable. Next example, subject. Subject. So here the division is 2. So it is 2 syllable and it is also called as disyllable. Next example, brilliantly. Brilliantly. So here it comes as 4 syllable. So 4 syllable means it is also called as tetrasyllable. Next example, cotton. So when I am pronouncing the word as cotton, cotton, it comes as 2 division. So 2 syllable. So it is also called as disyllable. Next example, mathematics. 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 So it comes as 4 syllable. So it is also called as tetrasyllable. Last example, destination. Destination. So it comes as 4 syllable and it is also called as 4 syllable. So in this video we had seen about the syllabification. So I think you had understood this video, and I request you all the students to write your own example sentence, not just only your name. You can try another words also. It will helpful to write your answers correctly in the examination. When you writing the examination, when you seeing the question paper, just you read the question once or twice a time. Then you read the question. After reading the question thoroughly, you start to writing. When you start to writing, you need to read the question once or twice a time. When you reading the question, you need to pronounce that word correctly. Then only it will helpful to write the answers in easier way. Okay students, in this video we had seen about syllabification, and I request you all the students to write your family members or friends, relatives and your name. Then you can practice easily by dividing the syllables. Thank you for watching.